Shoe fly.
No. No.
And say shoe fly. That's right. Shoe fly.
Shoe fly.
What are you doing? Jumping? Who's on the phone? Who are you talking to?
A pop. A pop.
What happened?
A pop.
Oh, a pocket.
It's not hot.
What are you going to do? Put it in your pocket? You're not talking anymore?
A
Pocket. Did you tell whoever it was bye-bye?
Bye-bye, Yaya.
Okay, you told her bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Yaya. Bye-bye, Yaya.
Did you tell her love you?
Love you.
That's right.
Tot.
It might be too big to fit in your pocket. I don't know if it'll fit. It might be here a while.
Oh, yeah. I found Yaya.
Hmm?
I found Yaya.
You found Lala? You found Lala? I don't know what you're saying about Lala.
I found Yaya, Mama. Bye-bye, Yaya, Papa. Yaya, bye-bye,
My goodness. Really? Where was your mama when all this was happening?
No. Say hi, baby sister. Hi. Yeah.
She's been playing with her toys all nice and quiet for once, huh? Okay. Say see you later.
Bye.
Bye, Leah. Is that what you said? Blow her a kiss.
Bye.
Now say bye, Lala, too.
Bye, Yaya.
Say I love you.
Bye, Yaya.
Say I love you.
Love you, Mama.